The windows on this Z3 move very slow. In fact, sometimes they won't move at all. The switch is on the center column. This will move the window down, which right now is not working at all. As I push the button, you can see it's not moving, or every once in a while you'll just see it glitch. There it is. Got it to move a little bit. To fix it, you can pull the interior of the car off and grease all the mechanisms on the window. The other thing you can do is work the lubrication in with the movement it does have. Right now it moves no problem up, but it won't go down. I'm pushing a button, it won't go down. To get it to go down, you push down on the window just a little bit and push the button at the same time. At a certain point, I'll get it to go down, and I can also get it to go up. So just in that range of motion, bring it back and forth to work the lubrication in. I moved it up and down about 30 times. You don't want to go too much and heat up the motor, but you want to give it a workout. Now you can see that the window is moving pretty good up and down, and also at a pretty good pace. The reason why this window is sticking is that it was in storage for a few years. Now I've got the window moving pretty good on the low end, but if I bring it all the way up like this, now it is stuck. It will not open. I can push down all I want and it will not move. That's where you have to just keep working it in. Push down, push on the button and get it to go down again, and then keep moving it back and forth until it works the lubrication. You can see that the speed is pretty nice right now, and when I take it all the way to the top, it's starting to come down now. We'll take it all the way to the top, and there it goes. All by itself, it's going down. Now I can work the window all the way down and all the way up. So I'm just going to keep doing that, and you can see the speed is really starting to increase all the way around. 15 minutes ago, this window was completely stuck, would not move at all. It's a lot easier to try this method than tearing the entire door apart. Whatever lubrication is inside the door, we're just working that stuff back and forth rather than putting new stuff in. Now this side's working pretty good. We're going to have to go over to the other door and do the exact same thing. The other window on the other side is working a lot better, but it wasn't stuck like the other side. You can see it's moving slow though. This window moves nice and quick in the upstroke, but watch what happens in the downstroke. Look how slow it is, so we have to keep working that in. Today we've made a lot of progress, but you can still see it's slow on the downstroke. I do not want to overheat the motors, so I'm going to stop today and continue maybe tomorrow. Just by moving the windows up and down and working them with my hands, I've been able to get a lot of improvement. The passenger side window is working really good. You can see how quick it goes up, and when I pull it down, it's not a bad speed. This passenger side window is almost completely restored back to normal. I'll continue using this method on the other side and see if I can restore it as well, because I really don't want to take all this stuff apart because it's pretty old and the stuff inside may crack and snap. If your windows are not working on your Z3, give this a try.